love your boy and she like
And
the
I
fridge and the stove. She love your boy and she. But you know, you should talk about Lothian restaurant and I said about
Lothian time.
People in restaurant yesterday and I talk say, oh, Miss Lady over there in a Queens, for your restaurant slow. Oh, she not really make no money. You never hear her yesterday? Say, yeah, I saw it go over there. Sometimes it's slow and sometimes, cause it's slow, you know, sometimes. Should have make, and all the time she have good things and good. I said, Jesus Christ.
I choose your time.
You know, sometimes. But so some man slowly a creep come up with this bitch. Some man
Yeah.
Have people, she this, she that, she get. And then when you come out back for her, clot, 99, take it. With your big sour blood clot, but big back freak self. I should go to Canada, go buy clothes. That's how I should go to buy one. Them clip your blood clot when you see, and rub you one day. Say, I want them to rub you up. I want them take off your sneakers and left your barefoot. But them big ugly hoof the way you walk. But you soak and watch no more. Okay? Them blood clot, big tough soak it. Them big tough hard foot. Nothing can do to them no more. But you put on white nail polish like you have blood, like you have dainty toe. White nail polish are for people with dainty foot and dainty toe. Them big hoof there. It's not for white nail polish. Big hoof woman. Okay?
Yeah,
with them big them but you put them in the water. Them for going to acid.
Yeah. You're the one that
together there. You're not.
You there.
And anybody come on my life now her to curse her. But that's not the truth. We're giving her back what she's dishing out. Just for you guys to understand that. One-sided motherfuckers. That is not a one-way street here. Everybody wise me. Slander people's business. Blood clot.
You know,
got to Canada. Got scrape up the people them blood clot money with your craven self. You're too greedy. Give yourself a break, you big tough craven woman. It's like you never who I send you out for go get money. It seemed like somebody has sent her out, man. Something normal. Oh, she have a shoplift, a booster friend.
You're lucky we can't find.
And come back down and go at 99 for go show off on the people. Them she favor idiot. Somebody says she buy a $2,000. See her buy the purse? Or to see her buy the $2,000 purse? Oh, they never said
exactly.
That half price from the crutch of them. What are the people? Lord, baby love people. I'm gonna sue you. You're gonna sue who? Me sue you first, idiot dirty boy. Me sue you first with your big liver lip self. You end up on the internet and type. Phone with, cause I tell people so she not in a phone with nobody. Yes, you are. You're talking to people on the phones, right? Most of the people who you're in a phone with, they're very stagnant and they might look something from you. And that's if I understand. Every last one of them who are on the internet blogging for you, I look something from you. Don't set up bombs. That's yourself with a bag of low life, underprivileged drunk crows. No ambition. They don't have no job. Some of them don't live nowhere. Huh? You didn't realize that when you're coming up with that word stagnant? And he used it to reference. That's the funniest thing about it. Like these motherfuckers who come up with these words to call people, they don't realize they're stagnant. Huh? And then they're trying to explain away what's going on in their lives. Huh? Lives. Make it make sense. Huh? You're high rise and you're living in a warehouse. Okay? Most people move up. You move down. But yet still, you had your purse. You came on this internet bragging to people that you had your purse, meaning that you have money. Nobody with money downsizes like that. Whole years trying to convince the internet that I'm broke and I'm stagnant. But you downsized from your high-rise apartment you were paying roughly $3,000 for every month. So you claim. You downsized. And I try to see your face. So you run go lease Audi. Eh? What you did made no fucking sense. You downsized but go lease big Audi. You made no fucking dollars and cents, bitch. None.
Lord Jesus.
You've been in the business for 20 some odd years, according to you. And that's where you're at. You're nowhere but there. Of a business, fighting a person in business for 4 years. Nah, that makes you a fucking bully, bitch. You're a bully. You're a blood clot. To go. Let me tell you something, honey. The only person growing in it is you. The recipients didn't grow from whatever you claim you did for them. No, they didn't. What kind of fucking charity is that? Huh? The only person... You're the only one I see advancing. None of the recipients have advanced from where they're at. None of them. Now, how did you help these people? Did you really help these people? Or did you not help yourself?
You should chat, boy. Dana, you should chat, Dana.
You helped yourself. Her card declined. It's not her own money she used.
Come guys, like up the video, like up
What
the
y'all
video,
praising her
like
for?
up the video.
It's not her own money, a people money she used.
Share the video too.
Y'all's COVID money that y'all got. The COVID money, while the one extra money we used to get during COVID, that's what she used to build herself and the people around her. The build a little house. She don't really build the people that around her, but you get what me I try to say. She built herself from that.
My God.
And she did not work hard for a dollar that she has. So I don't see why people are celebrating her like she's no great woman. She's not no great person.
Talk, yeah, girl.
Because based on the life she claims she lived, I'm surprised she's not more humble. All she do every day, I get to put her fat self, force her fat self in other people them clothes. You know, she said, our hunger and our thirst is for money and nice things. Y'all don't realize that? Anytime she can squeeze our lumps them in a new clothes. You don't realize how she clean it. You don't realize them some of that? Some of them don't never not even did own a Michael Jacobs bag in her life. I wanna take up on the money I give to she for get Michael Jacobs and Gucci for come show off on uno, and some of uno not own never yet own a Marc Jacobs bag in their life. Some of them not even did own a pair of Ugg slippers in their life. I don't take up on the money I give to she. Them ugly, me surprise them have sneakers for her size. I don't know how she feels so bright and uppish and presumptuous to come on the internet and style herself. I try style people about stagnancy.